In this video, we will demonstrate what's new in build styles and build rules. This includes creating rules for custom process parameters in corners and overhang areas. Additionally, you can visually display the corners, overhangs, and docking areas. To create a custom rule for corners, you must first go to the Strategy tab and mark the corners. The gap distance is how far on either side of the corner that gets marked. Vertex sharp angle helps to determine whether something is a corner or not. From there, create a rule. In this example, we are naming it corners, and choose the conditional statement and angle to apply the rule to. Next, enter the custom process parameter in build style data. In this instance, we are just entering a custom feed rate and laser power. Once calculated, we can perform a tool path list and search for feed rate. You can see the feed rate switches between the default of 1000 and the custom rule of 1221. You can visually check where the corners are by selecting More and the Show Corners function. The corners are highlighted in a custom color, and a small C denotes corner. Custom process parameters can also be applied to overhang areas. Overhangs for each point are calculated during operation calculation. Use the Build Styles tab to create a new rule for overhangs. The draft on this sample part is 15 degrees, so we will use 10 as the overhang angle. From there, use the Build Style Data tab to enter the custom process parameters for the overhang rule. In this case, we will use 1331 for both the feed rate and power. Once calculated, you can use Tool Path List and search for feed rate to see how the rule has been applied and changes the feed rate in your output. You can graphically see where the overhangs are by using the More option and then Show Overhangs function. Here the overhangs are in their own custom color. The Tool Path Report can also display where overhangs and corners are, and their values. In the Tool Path Report, there is a column for overhang and another for corners, and you can scroll and look at the values and click any point to see where it is in your cutter path. Docking areas have already been introduced in the software, but in version 25.12, users can visually see where the docking areas are by selecting More and then Show Dockings. These new options give users more control and flexibility in assigning custom process parameters for important areas of their parts.